In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to export a lesson or a quiz as Scorm and how to share it with students. Before we begin, go to the SimLab Academy, then Evaluation, then select Export Scorm. The first item will play the tutorial video, so move to the next item and drag and drop it to load the scene. This is the two posts lift experience we used in earlier tutorials, and as you can see, it has the same quiz and the same questions we created before, and we are set to export it as a Scorm lesson. From the VR evaluation menu, select Export Lesson as Scorm. Type in a name for the Scorm package and click Save. In the Export Scorm dialog, you can fill the title and the publisher's name as well as a brief description for the lesson or the quiz. You can also click the thumbnail to the right to change the lesson's thumbnail. There are a number of distinct images to choose from, or you can select an image of your own. Under Lesson Assignment, you can specify which group and course to upload the lesson to. As for the LRS settings, we are going to set it to SimLab since we are not using a custom LRS, but in case you have your own LRS and want to use it, you can set it here. You can also specify the number of times the student is allowed to run the lesson or the quiz by changing the allowed attempts value. Under Scorm version, you can choose between 1.2 and the 2004 3rd edition, which are the most common versions. For this tutorial, since I will be using Moodle, I'm going to set it to 1.2. Click on VR Settings. In the Settings window, you can choose to optimize the package, which would reduce its size, and whether the package can be opened using the VR viewer only. You can also disable parts or all of the VR menu that is accessible during the lesson, and since we do not want the participant to modify the scene during the VR experience, we will disable the whole menu. Click OK to export the Scorm package. Once the package is exported, go to Moodle's website. For this tutorial we will be using Moodle, but keep in mind that Scorm is compatible with a lot of LMS service providers, so no matter what service you are using, as long as it has XAPI or Scorm, you can integrate your VR lessons in them. The first thing that we need to do is to add a course if you do not have one already. Click on Add a new course. Under course full name, I will type Mechanics 101, just to be consistent with the course we have in the SimLab Administrator. Moodle also requires a short name for the course, so I will type MC 101. Scroll down and open the course format section. Here we will change the format to a single activity. Then once the page refreshes, we're going to set the type of activity to Scorm package. Click Save and select the course we just created. Under Name, I will type Lift Quiz. In the Package section, double-click the arrow in the field to bring up the file picker. Make sure that the Upload a File option is selected, then click Choose File. Select the Scorm package we exported from SimLab VR Studio, then click on Upload this file. Go to the bottom of the page and select Save and Display. We are now done with implementing the Scorm lesson into Moodle, and all that is left is to assign or enroll users into the course. Click on Participants in the panel to the left, then click on Enroll Users. In the dialog that popped up, select the students or the participant that you want to share the VR lesson with. Click the Enroll Users button to finish the process. Now we have 3 users that are assigned to this lesson, so let's sign in as one of them and see how they can run the lesson. I'm going to log out of the administrator account and log back in with one of the students' account we just enrolled to the lesson. Once the student is logged in, he will have access to the Mechanics 101 course, and once he selects it, he will find the Lift quiz inside it. The user will then click Enter to access the quiz and then presses the Run button to run the VR experience. A prompt will pop up asking the student to open the VR viewer, and once the student clicks Open, he can go through the lesson in VR. Once the student finishes the first part of the lesson, which guides him through the process of using the car lift, he can now take the quiz. After the student answers the last question, he then submits the quiz, and it will directly be sent to the administrator or the teacher, and he can view the results, which we will learn how to do in an upcoming tutorial.